recording. You just snatched that nail out. Hold on. One more thing. One thing we got to do.
All right, guys. TJ and Bobo. Finna take this nail out of this tire, and we finna. Ooh. Actually, when you press on it, you can kind of hear some air escape. A little tidbit for y'all. And we getting water.
Grab soapy water. See it bubbling? Yeah. And so, and you check the stem, make sure that ain't bubbling. Suds ain't coming out from around there, nothing either. So that you know, that's how you know the nail ain't is all the way in through and letting the air out. Right there, soapy water. So you grab them diagonals, pliers, channel locks, and snatch that nail out. Hold it, stop. You gotta prepare for the thing to go in there.
Okay.
We're gonna take this. We're gonna take one of them out of there. Pull the thing out. And feed it through here if you can. However you can, feed it through there. Then put some soapy water on it or whatever. If you can get it through and grab it with the pliers and pull on it. It's typically rubber coated Teflon. So it's tough. It ain't gotta be maintain perfection when you get it through. About some needle nails up here. I grab with the pliers again and pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it all the way to the halfway point. That ain't right. Alright, so now we pull the nail out.
Ooh.
Turn the pliers the other way.
This way?
Turn the pliers this way.
Okay.
And grab it and rock it out.
Okay.
Pull down. Right out. Yeah. Turn the pliers around the other way, so you can get it that way. Pull, twist, and whatever you got to do to get it up out of there. Might be in that bend.
coming. Alright.
Alright, now you gotta take this and ream the hole out. So we take this, and my method is put something on there to lubricate that in there. Now push that down and then open it. Ream that pin.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's what you want?
Yep. Okay. Now take that and lubricate this.
Dang, Bubba.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. You want it to be some of it sticking out.
Oh,
I'm sorry. There you go. Pull. Yeah, there you go. You just plug the hole. Just off the side of the
that was hard, y'all. Now look at the touch.
Any bubbles?
I don't see none.
Problem solved. Problem solved. Now, how much time was that?
7 minutes.
Alright, you wanna wait on roadside?
No. The roadside takes an hour, almost an hour to get to you.
You got a nail. All you got is a nail. You get you an air compressor. Oh, now we gotta put the air back in the car. That's what the air pump for. Turn on this before you turn on, see how much air pressure it's got. Huh?
Is that 20, 19?
Okay, we need to go up to what's on the door. Is it in here? 35. Go up to 35. See how that got all bent up? See how that got all bent up? Which means they ain't making them like dirty. Yeah. That'll get bent up with a handle. Check mark on that. Now check this out. On here, I put a marker at roughly 35. Some of these will turn. Turn, I think. I put a mark on it, so we need to get up there. Is the back tire, you ready to get on the ground and do that? Or you take the tire off? But you got to do it where you got some air to put in there because you're going to lose a lot of air. Good enough. Reach in and pull it. What's it say on there now?
That's 30. Is that the marker 35?
There's another kit I bought at Ollie's for $10. Just you never know when, you know. Never know